Hello? Hello? What's up guys, this is Erica of Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I'm alone by myself in the office, so I figured I would go see what trouble I could get into and record it, so that way there's video evidence. So I have a gear. I think what I want to do is throw this into the VH800 Pro. There is some 220 aluminum oxide in there. I might blast just half of this and then throw it into the VH800 FL and do the whole thing in glass bead. I want to see if it's worth doing an extra step to see if the finish is really good, or if you can just do it all in one go. Just to remind you guys that we do parts testing, and if you need specs, if you need to figure out anything like that, we can do that for you. And I will give you some more information with that at the end of the video. Okay, if I could just take a moment to say a few words after that 220 aluminum oxide. How satisfying. I actually couldn't stop myself and I did the entire back. Now what I'm gonna do is throw this into our VH800 FL, which is right there, and I'm going to do the entire thing in glass bead and compare this little spot to the rest of the gear. And we are back after blasting this gear in these machines. I honestly can't tell much of a difference between the finishes. I also kind of forgot which side was which, but it doesn't really matter because they look the same. So honestly, glass bead can do the job itself. I mean, it might take just a little bit longer, but if it cuts down a whole nother step, that time is sort of mitigated. I think it looks great. Of course, there are some spots that are still there, but that is definitely a user problem and not a problem with the machine. Just testing a part. We do part testing. You can send us parts, we'll run them for you. Or you can get one of these machines yourself and do this all at home. If you are interested in getting a machine, having your parts tested today, or just want to find out more about surface finishing, give us a call at 828-202-5563 or visit vaporhoningtechnologies.com. Thank you for watching.